Hello everybody, my name is Morgan Akins and this is my presentation on tape diagrams. Tape diagrams, which are also known as bar models, are illustrations that show a relationship between quantities used to solve a word problem. So here we have an example of a tape diagram. Tape diagrams can be used with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Tape diagrams are also used in grade levels 1st through 6th. Tape diagrams assist students when doing multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division problems by providing an image for the student to look at. They show a relationship between the quantities listed. They develop an understanding of the material being taught, and they support mathematical calculations. A concrete activity students can participate in would be creating word problems using plastic cube counters by filling in the tape diagram worksheet provided. When filling in the tape diagram with the plastic counter cubes, it is giving the students a visual representation of the quantities that are being represented in their word problem. A semi-concrete activity for students to participate in would be to have students would be given a word problem to solve. When solving the word problem, they will create a tape diagram to represent the information provided. So here's an example of a word problem. Lionel had 2 stamps. So we have 2 stamps here. His friend gave Lionel some additional stamps. When Lionel counted all the stamps, he had 5 total stamps. How many stamps did Lionel's friend give him? So we have the 2 stamps that he started with. And then at the end, after his friend gave him stamps, he had a total of 5 stamps. So we're trying to find the difference. So 2 plus 3 equals 5 stamps. An abstract activity for students to participate in would be to give students addition and subtraction equations. And then in the illustration provided, the students would fill in the tape diagram. Students will use the information provided to solve the equation. So here we have 20 plus 40, and then here's an illustration of 20 plus 40, and that's going to give you the total. So the students are going to go ahead and figure out 20 plus 40 on their own. For the class activity, you can go ahead and click on this Google Doc right here. And it's going to go ahead and bring you to this page. Once you get here, you're going to want to go ahead and make a copy of the slide. And you're going to want to go ahead and paste it. You can go ahead and do that by pushing Control V on your computer, and then you will have made a copy. So once you make a copy, go ahead and put your name on your slide. And you're going to go ahead and complete this math fact practice multiplication sheet. So we have 1 times 3. So we have 3, and then it's 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So we have 2 3s equals 6. So 2 times 3, then you can just highlight it and underline, equals 6. And then highlight and underline, and then go on to this next equation. So we have 3, 3. So 3 times 3 equals, and then you're going to go ahead and fill it in. Once you're completed, you can go ahead and go on to the next slide. Okay. And then once you've completed the class activity, I'd like you to go ahead and post one takeaway from this presentation / activity on the below Jamboard. So you can go ahead and click on this link and add a comment here. And then here are some of the resources that I use for this presentation. Thanks so much.